Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about past perfect continuous tense. So let me tell you first the identification of past perfect continuous tense. The identification of past perfect continuous tense are rahata, rahiti and rahete. But here in this tense we have to use two prepositions, since and for. Since should be used for point of time and for should be used for period of time. So come to the positive structure, subject plus had been plus present participle plus rest of the sentence plus time reference. So here we have to use had been with the whole subject, as we have I, we, you, they, he, she, it, singular or plural subject. With the entire subject we have to use had been. Then present participle mean verb plus ing plus rest of the sentence plus time reference means since or for. It depends upon the time. Since mean point of time, for mean period of times. And the previous lessons and the previous video I have already taught you about since and for. Where to use since and where to use for. So come to the positive structure. Ali had been reading a book since morning. So it is the first example of positive structure. Ali had been reading a book since morning. Ali सुबह से किताब पढ़ रहा था. He had been writing for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटों से लिख रहा था. I had been running this school since 1990. मैं इस स्कूल को 1990 से चला रहा था. Negative structures. Subject plus had plus not plus been plus present participle plus rest of the sentence plus time reference. So here we have to put not after auxiliary verb, then we have to use be. Then present participle verb plus ing plus rest of the sentence time reference mean since or for. Ali had not been reading a book since Monday. Ali Monday से किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा था. They had not been reading in this school for 2 years. वो इस स्कूल में 2 साल से नहीं पढ़ रहे थे. I had not been writing a letter for 2 years. मैं 2 सालों से खत नहीं लिख रहा था. So these were the example of negative structures. Come to the interrogative structures. Had plus subject plus been plus present participle plus rest of the sentence plus time reference. So here we have to put question mark at the end of interrogative structures or interrogative sentences. Had you been waiting for me since 3 o'clock? क्या तुम मेरे लिए 3 बजे से इंतज़ार नहीं कर रहे थे? Sorry. Had you been waiting for me since 3 o'clock? क्या तुम मेरे लिए 3 घंटे से इंतज़ार कर रहे थे? Had it been raining for 2 days? क्या 2 दिनों से बारिश हो रही थी? Had she been washing the dishes since morning? क्या सुबह से वो बर्तने यानी dishes जो है वो धो रही थी? So it was the example of interrogative structures. So it was all about past perfect continuous tense, as I have already taught you the identification, positive structure, negative structures and interrogative structure. Thank you so much for watching.